Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to quickly see the number of comments on your Instagram photos using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it even easier to keep track of your engagement right from your desktop. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to check the comment count on any of your photos. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't updated the app recently, make sure you're running the latest version so you can enjoy all the new features and improvements. Once you're in the app, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see all the photos and videos you've shared. Now scroll through your feed and find the photo you want to check. You can take your time browsing or use the grid view to quickly spot the image you're looking for. Here's where the new update comes in handy. Simply move your mouse pointer over the photo you're interested in. As you hover over the image, you'll notice a small overlay appears. This overlay will display two icons, a heart for likes and a speech bubble for comments. Right next to the speech bubble, you'll see the exact number of comments that photo has received. That's it. No need to click into each photo or scroll through endless comments just to see the count. With this update, Instagram has made it much more convenient to keep track of your engagement and see which posts are sparking conversations. So, next time you're curious about the buzz around your latest post, just hover over your photo and check the comment count instantly. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to explore more features on the Instagram app for PC. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!